Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying connection because calls rely on pairing and network. First, confirm your iPhone has cellular service and Bluetooth is active. Keep devices within range. Next, open the Watch app and check phone settings. Use Mirror iPhone unless you need custom rules. Also, disable airplane mode and do not disturb on both devices. This blocks notifications. Once done, force close the phone and Watch apps on the iPhone, then wait 10 seconds before reopening to let routing reset. Now you perform the deeper checks that actually fix routing issues. On the iPhone, confirm phone and FaceTime permissions and make sure call forwarding or blocking isn't active. If your carrier supports Wi-Fi calling, enable it on both devices. This helps when cellular is weak. Confirm the watch has a cellular plan if it's a cellular model. Otherwise, rely on the paired iPhone. Once verified, restart both devices and update iOS and Watch OS to remove known bugs that can stop calls. Finish by rebuilding the link if prior steps failed. Unpair the watch from the Watch app. This creates a fresh backup and connection. Then repair carefully, making sure to restore the watch from the latest backup. If calls still don't arrive, reset iPhone network settings to clear corrupt configurations. Remember, this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. As a final troubleshooting tip, verify the carrier account and eSIM activation with your carrier. If hardware or provisioning is the problem, carrier or Apple support can run diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.